Yo, today we have the stock 1JZ turbos. These are both the OEM style single turbo that comes on the VVTi 1JZ. I'm here to show you the differences between the drift motion modified version and the stock version. This is a upgraded belay wheel, and here's the stock one, and there's a lip. You can feel the concave. That's been bored out and removed. Here's the exhaust wheel. This one looks to be replaced. They replaced the wheel with a standard size wheel. You can also get an option to upgrade the size of the wheel. This was made before that option, so I'm not going to just send it back and have it replaced. I'm just going to use it the way it is. Alright, so I want to take a peek at the actuator. So we got a C-clip. Try not to lose that. Oh, got it. Here's the C-clip for the actuator. Alright, let's take this one off. Oh. Alright, so now I got the wastegate actuator C-clips off. I want to check and see the bore diameter of the flange to exhaust housing. And I'm actually pleasantly surprised. Here's the two housings. We got on the left the drift motion one, and on the right the just stock configuration. Okay, socket fits, yeah. And as you can see, it's been pre-bored out. If you have too small of a wastegate hole with too much flow, you can get boost spikes, all sorts of problems. Alright, jack stands are off. I'm looking at the oil pan clearance, and you can see we've got just a hair of contact right there. It's hanging down. So, like I said in the last video, we're going to have to space this upwards. It's not a priority right now, but I want to get the engine lifted up just about a ½ inch or so. Mainly on the passenger side, at least where the drain plug is. Just, we gotta lift it up. Hole's a little narrow, so we'll have to straighten that out. Make it easier so we can use a straight socket. Perfect.